Grasp the English language. Mastering quantifiers for uncountable nouns. Hello learners around the world. Welcome back to our exciting journey through the English language. Today, we're going to tackle a new, yet very crucial topic: quantifiers for uncountable nouns. As always, remember that these lessons are designed to be easy and enjoyable. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, let's refresh our understanding about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, as you might remember, are things that we can't count individually. They usually refer to concepts, materials, liquids, and collective groups. Words like information, rice, water, and music are great examples. Now, what are quantifiers? Well, quantifiers are words we use to express quantity. They can tell us how much or how many of something we're talking about. But when dealing with uncountable nouns, which we can't count piece by piece, we use specific types of quantifiers. Let's dive into the main topic: quantifiers for uncountable nouns. There are several quantifiers we use specifically with uncountable nouns, and these include words like much, a little, a bit of, a great deal of, a large amount of, and no. For instance, you would say, "I don't have much time," or, "Could you add a little milk to my coffee, please?" Let's do some practice together. It's the best way to master this topic. I'll give you a sentence, and you have to fill it with the correct quantifier. Ready? Here's the first one. 1. We don't have, blank, space in this room. 2. She has, blank, knowledge about the topic. 3. He's saved, blank, money for his vacation. 4. I've got, blank, homework to do tonight. Take your time and think about which quantifier would be the best fit. And there you have it. We've just covered quantifiers for uncountable nouns in English. It might seem tricky at first, but with consistent practice, I'm confident that you'll master it in no time. Remember to always keep practicing and using what you learn in real-life conversations. Thanks for joining today's lesson, and I hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Happy learning!